Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion ngayon itong post ang balita ngayon. Title, Because of Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye, yung ilaw sa may highway, nilalagyan ng DPWH. Because of Cat's Eye, Representative Luestro has been hit by a case at Ombudsman. Sinampahan ng kaso, Congresswoman Luestro. Okay. Batangas 2nd District Representative Jerbil Luestro is facing a grave case in the Office of the Ombudsman in relation to alleged overpricing, irregular use of funds, and abnormal implementation of the Cat's Eyes Road Study Project in Batangas City, San Pascual, Bawan Diversion Road. Also included in the complaint are DPWH Calabarzon Regional Director Jobel Mendoza and Batangas 2nd District Engineer Sonia Paglikawan, who are both welcome in the alleged wasteful and overpriced execution of the project. The Cat's Eyes project is intended to road safety improvements, but according to the complaints, there is a huge difference between the actual cost and quality of the project, reason to file the case with the Ombudsman. Okay, so, yan po. Hindi nakalagay dito sino yung nagsampa ng kaso. But I believe, mga concerned citizens